Hey you! Do you have a proper IFAK in your vehicle? If not, watch this video. Hi guys, it's Jordan here from OVERLAND and welcome to my channel. Last week we talked a bit about the solo IFAK from MyMedic, which is an awesome EDC or small adventures first aid kit. But when you are out there driving your car, going on some overland adventures, you may face some specific situation related to cars. And that's why MyMedic came up with this kit, the Automatic Stormproof kit, which is the perfect kit to keep in your vehicle. Can be your daily drive, just like me, or your overland rig, it doesn't really matter. So stay with me, we're gonna open this kit and see what's inside. So, the Automatic by MyMedic is the go kit for common injuries to treat yourself, your family or others in need while on the road. So as I said, it's perfect for a daily drive vehicle or your adventure rig. It is sold on the MyMedic site for $150 in black or red. And speaking of the price, I have a discount code for you guys to get 20% off, and it is simply ANSM20. So feel free to use it and treat yourself, take care of your family. The inside is pretty well made and we're gonna see that in a few minutes. But on the inside you can see you have some molly loops all around the pouch, so you can attach anything you want, maybe more nitrile gloves, your TQ CPR shield mask on the outside for a quick access. Also, you can see that the pouch is a bit different than usual. That's because it is stormproof. So it's made of a waterproof material with welded seams and a water resistant zippers, which means that you can confidently take this kit on your next epic adventure. That's pretty awesome. You also have a carry loop here, so you can use as a carry handle or a carabiner attach point. Now let's open it, let's see how it is organized inside and what you really have inside as a medical supply. Let's do that. Boom. All right. And as you can see, it's nicely organized with mesh pockets to find items quickly. You also have some colors coded patches to know exactly what you have in all the different mesh pockets. So in there, we'll know that you have medication, and this one is gonna be for burn treatments and skin. This one is gonna be for airway. This one is gonna be for bleeding and maybe survival gear. And this one is gonna be more hydration and other stuff. So it's really nicely made. Plus, those mesh pockets are removable. So maybe if you need just one and you need to grab it with you without the whole kit, you can do that. And another thing is that is this Velcro backing. You can organize it the way you want. Like if I want to put it maybe more that way. Yeah, it's not really cool, but I can do it. Patches here are really great addition because you can really identify what's inside and what you need quickly, you know, nice and fast. And you also have an elastic strap on the middle. You can also remove. And we're gonna see what's inside. First of all, you got this. This is a squeezable saline solution to clean wounds. You also have here a pen light and a basic but pretty useful tweezers. Now we're gonna get each mesh pocket separately and see what's inside. So let's start with this one first. Okay, so what you have in this one first. So the Velcro patch say that it's medication. So we got medication for headache. We got medication for upset stomach. And you can see that everything is nicely packed and organized, even inside the mesh pockets. I really love it. You know what's inside real quick. All the details on the back with even some some little fun stuff. Not to self. Back alley food court sushi is not a good idea after all. Yep, that's a fact. Breath mint, hand wipes, barf bag, anti-diarrhea stuff, well, everything for upset stomach. You also have everything here for cold and flu, with ibuprofen, hand wipes, cough, cold and flu relief tablets, cough drops, barf bag, and some breath mint. So it's a really complete kit. And this little logo say that you also have some special equipment tools, medical tools. So you have a pair of EMT trauma shears. You also have a glass breaker and seatbelt cutter tool, which is nice to have, but quick tip guys, don't leave that in your kit. It's totally nonsense. Put that on your keys directly. And this one actually feels pretty cheap, I'm not gonna lie. So you got a good alternative to it, which is the Rescue Me. Which is the Rescue Me I have on every keys of all my cars. I got it for Lizanne, my mom, everyone who have a car got one from me, and it feels a bit more sturdy, a bit more tough, you know, rugged than this one. And obviously an awesome keychain too. And the last thing in this pocket is a cut kit for laceration repair without stitches. And actually this one is in the wrong package. It should be in this one. Next, we got those two here, little ones, so I'm gonna do them. What you have in this one is a CPR shield mask, and in this one you have a little kit with a lot of different stuff inside. So we got some lip balm, you have some itching relief cream, you have some oral pain relief for pain on tooth and mouth in general. That's another itching relief cream. You got 2 burn shield in case of burns. You have here 3 packs of antibiotic cream to prevent infection on scrapes or cuts. Oh, you got a 4th one and another oral pain relief. And what we have here, it's not in a pouch, it was directly on an elastic band, is the Rapid TQ Tourniquet from MyMedic. And what I'm gonna do is to open it, because this is something you'll need quick access to it. So here it is. So this is the first time I see a TQ like that. I'm more used to the softy TQ we use in the military. So I will have to see how this one works and maybe do a few tests and try. And this is I recommend you to do as well, but really remove it from the package because you will lose precious seconds if you really need to use it. So the Rapid TQ, and which is actually pretty relevant in a car kit, because you know bad stuff happen real quick. Another smaller one here. Inside we got two little pouches. Here this is 2 packs of fizz, so this is electrolytes to stay hydrated. And in this one you have a little bit more stuff. Hand sanitizer, pretty useful these days. You got 2 of them. You got some itching, sting relief, like bug bite relief wipe, and you got 2 antiseptic. Oh, you got 3 actually. Wow, you got a lot more. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 antiseptic wipes or towelettes, like they say. Okay, and now the last pouch of this kit. See, it's whole empty now. And this is actually the bigger one. In it you have a nice whistle. Let's try it. Yeah, okay, works great. Sorry for your ears. Here you got a space blanket, which is basically a survival blanket, you know, with a gold and silver side. You got some gauze roll. You have a few nitrile gloves, and I really recommend you to put more in it. Maybe outside of the pouch. And quick tips, guys, you can also put them on your sun visors directly for a quick access. Some more gauze roll. Some gauze here. Here you got a bandage pack. We're gonna see what's inside. And this is actually a nice kit with a lot of different bandages for elbows and knees, like small ones, fingertip bandage, pretty useful, bigger ones, and knuckle bandage as well. You can see you have a lot of them. That's great. Nicely packed once again. Do we have a joke here? Oh, turns out getting a job as a professional bandage remover is really hard to pull off. That's a good one. And here, something really relevant for auto IFAK hand warmers if you are stuck. So you have a few of them, and it's actually perfect, as I said, in a car, because if you're stuck in the winter, it might get a little bit cold. So you have all the instructions. Stick 2 of these babies in your back pocket for the on-go sweat warmers. Great addition to the pack. And voila! The whole kit is open and detailed here in front of you, and as I said, it's a perfect match for an automatic kit. It covers all the essential you will have to face in case of an emergency in a car, while on the road or while on an overland trip. Really complete, and you have enough supply to treat multiple wounds and multiple victims. It's a real nice and complete kit. I totally recommend, and I love the fact that you buy it and you can use it. It's directly, all the essentials are here. You just throw it in your car. For me, it's gonna stay in my daily drive vehicle, ready to use. Alright guys, so as a conclusion, I want to say that this kit, the automatic Stormproof IFAK by MyMedic, is a great and complete kit for your daily drive vehicle, for every road trip with the family, or even for your overland or adventure dedicated vehicle. What I would recommend you to do is to still add maybe some nitrile gloves to it, add some quick clots for heavy bleeding, or some Israeli bandage. This could be a great addition to this kit. Also, as I said, for the nitrile gloves, feel free to put them directly outside of the pouch, so they're gonna be easier to access. And the other tip is to put them on your sun visors, directly accessible. So even if you don't have to get these kits, you can go out there on a car crash and put pressure on someone's wounds. So yeah, this is a really great kit, ready to use, totally recommend it. Everything's simple, nicely organized, I love it. I really love how MyMedic organize their kit, their stuff, even their website is full of good infos and nicely organized to pick the right kit for you. And as I said in the beginning of the video, I also made a review of the Solo IFAK, which is perfect as an EDC kit. And they also have this kind of little stay alive guide, which is full of good infos about medical stuff, but also survival stuff like shelter building, and it's pretty cheap, can save your life, or at least be a good reminder for all those useful infos. So if you want to get one of these kits, this one in particular for your vehicle, Don't forget about my 20% off discount code, which is NSM20. I'm gonna write it down below in the description and put the link to these kits. So treat yourself and also take care of others people on the road, and more especially of your family with that. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, it always helps. You can also check my Instagram account for awesome pictures and also my website at nsmoverland.com for even more useful content. And if you want to support me in another way, I also have a Patreon page. So thank you guys for watching. See you next week.